In the previous section, we have completed about infectious disease. Now we are going to learn some means of spread of this infectious disease. This infectious disease spread from an affected person to the healthy person. Such diseases are spread by two major methods, that is direct transmission and indirect transmission. What is direct transmission? Physical contact, sexual contact, animal bite, soil contact. These all are different means of spreading disease through direct transmission. Disease like chickenpox, smallpox, ringworm, these all diseases are spreaded through physical contact. That means by using these infected persons' things or sitting next to them, touching their body, these all kinds of diseases are spread through such direct contact or physical contact. The next method is sexual contact. It is a kind of direct transmission. Syphilis and AIDS, these are the disease caused by sexual illegal contact. Through animal bite, animals like dog, monkey, these bites causes rabies virus. They inject rabies virus into our body, and this is a kind of direct transmission method, mode of transmitting disease. Next one is soil contact. Tetanus is a disease is caused by this through the soil. Next mode of spreading disease is indirect transmission, like air and water and also vectors. Through this indirect transmission mode of this infectious disease spread from one person to another. Common cold, pneumonia, tuberculosis, these all spreaded through the air, which is of indirect transmission mode. Diseases like cholera, typhoid, these are diseases spread through contaminated water, which is of indirect mode of transmission of disease. And also vector-borne diseases like malaria, filaria, dengue fever, these all caused by the vectors. So these all are the indirect mode of transmission of spreading diseases from one person to healthy person. Next, we move on to organ-specific and tissue-specific manifestation. What is the meaning of organ-specific manifestation? It is nothing but specific viruses or specific microbes affect only specific organ of our body. For example, corona affects only lungs. Lungs of our body will be affected if coronavirus enter into the body. That is what it is called organ-specific or tissue-specific diseases. Microbes enter from the air and enter into our lungs and causes tuberculosis. Some specific microbes enter through the mouth and go to the liver and reach the liver and causes typhoid, that is jaundice also. Some viruses enter through the sex organs and causes AIDS, that is HIV virus. Some mosquito bite and infect the brain, causes brain fever. Here, the signs and symptoms of the disease depend upon the tissue or organ in which the microbe targets or in which the microbe enters. For example, if microbes enter into our lungs, we feel cough and breathlessness. If the microbes enter into the liver and the symptom jaundice, if the microbe enter the brain, we feel headache, vomiting and unconsciousness.